Welcome to the Supplier How-To video series, Edit Your Products in Product Catalogue. Once logged in, go to the top right hand corner and click on Dashboard. Then click Product Catalogue. All your products will be listed in this area. Click just above Total Views and you'll be able to see what a distributor sees when they look at your product. You can then click Edit to make any changes to the product. If you'd like to update your product images, please send them to us and we will do this for you. Changes you can make when editing a product include updating your trade pricing too. And once you've made these changes, click Save. These changes will immediately become visible to distributors. Thank you for watching.